Okay, so we're gonna make some keto-based crackers. I got 1 cup of almond flour. I'm gonna use a pinch of salt. I'm gonna use 1 egg. I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of butter that I'm gonna go ahead and melt in the microwave. I'm gonna do a pinch of baking powder. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put it on a parchment paper lined cookie sheet. Then I'm gonna roll it out with a rolling pin or a cup or anything to make it really, really flat and thin, just like a cracker. Then I'm gonna go ahead and bake it at 300 degrees until it is crispy. All right, so stick around. Go ahead and watch how we do it. Okay, it's been 20 minutes and I've turned off the oven and here we are. I got some light ones and some a little bit darker ones. Now they're technically done and I need to get them off of this so they'll stop cooking, but they are crispy. You see how they're separating without me having to do any further cutting? They are done. Just wanted to show you guys a clean break real quick. So I'm just grabbing one. They've cooled down and they become a lot more crispy. And this is what one of these crackers actually sounds like. Those are our crackers, and they actually get crispier as they sit and cool. All right, y'all, that's how you make keto-based crackers that are good for stuff. For me, I'm gonna use some cream cheese and something else on it. All right, y'all, take it easy.